For this worksheet, you're asked to find a few different things: domain, range, relative minimum, relative maximum, the intervals where the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant, and then evaluating the function for 4 different x values. So what I wanted to go over real quick with you is that relative minimum and maximum and how to find that in your calculator. Looking at the graph, for a relative maximum or minimum, it just means in a specific area there's a maximum or minimum. So for a maximum, look for some sort of hill, and at the top point of the hill, that you can see right here on this graph, is a local maximum, a relative maximum. And then you need for a minimum to see it dips down like a little valley, and at the lowest point of that particular little valley would be your local or your relative minimum. So we have one right here. Now, how do you find those? Use your calculator. Don't just guess. You want the relative minimum and maximum to be exact ordered pairs, as accurate as possible. So on your graphing calculator, what you want to do is, let me actually erase this off here. Okay, once you have the function graphed, you want to go to Menu, then Analyze Graph, and then you can see your two options are here. So I'm going to go with maximum. You see this little dashed line? Think of it as helping you place two little walls around the maximum, and you're helping the calculator know where to look and where to focus for the maximum. So I'm going to place this first little wall or vertical line just to the left of the maximum point. Hit enter or click OK, and then it gives me another one that I can place now just to the right of it. Now you can see once I help the calculator look between those two vertical lines, right here is your maximum, the ordered pair negative 1.54, comma 10. Now I'll repeat this to find the local minimum. I want the ordered pair for it. Menu, Analyze Graph, Minimum. Here's that little dashed line, that little vertical line. I'll use it to put a little wall up just to the left of the point, and now just to the right of that point to help the calculator focus in that area. And here you go. The ordered pair for the local minimum is 0.541, comma, negative 8.02. So if you go back to your sheet, I want you to pause this video right now and go through and try to answer all these questions. And once you've had a chance to answer all the questions, continue playing it to check and see how you did. For those intervals, and you did use the x values of that max and min for where those walls were put up to break up this graph into those intervals of increasing and decreasing. And this graph doesn't have a horizontal flat portion at all, so there is no interval to write for constant. last part, evaluating these the function for these x values. You can plug them into the original function on your own if you want, or use your graphing calculator to your advantage. You can see right here, you have the graph up, Control T. You can just look up those specific ordered pairs right from this table. So you can see that where f is 0, we have -5. Where f is 1, also -5. F of -4 would give us -125. And f of 3 would give us 127. So go back here to that sheet. Put that up. Hope this video helps. Now go on to your homework assignment, the 1.3 practice problems packet, and you're to complete all of problems 1 through 6. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.